Using BricsCAD Pro with Civil Site Design, users can automate the site layout design processes with intelligent objects to handle common road subdivision design elements, such as intersections, curb returns, cul-de-sacs, roundabouts and knuckles, as well as tools for driveway clearance. Curb returns automatically and dynamically position themselves, both horizontally and vertically, to the intersecting roads. Localized road widening for bus stops and waiting areas can be easily achieved using the knuckle tool, which creates a localized widening that stays attached to the road as you make design changes. Cul-de-sac design can be parametrically driven with support for circular, asymmetric, teardrop, Y and T-shape configurations. The pipe design module allows you to easily lay out your design with simple polylines and will assign pipes and structures that will automatically generate your network. Obstructions from other utilities are displayed and color-coded based on minimum clearances. Civil Site Design will generate your profiles, plan profile sheets and cross-sections, with a spectrum of label styles that can be modified to meet your drafting standards by linking to BricsCAD Sheet Set Manager. Materials and boundaries can also be applied to triangles for quick visualization and export to other packages.